guys, welcome back to Living the Journey with Naomi, where I bring you all the tips, tricks, and inspiration you need to explore the world and live your best travel life. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the adventure, because trust me, you won't want to miss a single stop on this journey. Today's episode is going to be a total game changer, especially if you're gearing up for your next trip. Whether you're flying across the globe, road tripping to the next state, or hiking into a breathtaking summit, or if you're simply planning a getaway and wondering, what should I pack? Stay tuned. We're exploring the top 15 travel must-haves that you absolutely need to make your adventures smoother, safer, and way more fun. These must-haves will level up your travel game. These are items that make my journey smoother, safer, and just plain better. And before we even get started, you may say, Naomi, why do we have to bother about travel essentials? Listen, it does matter. Okay, picture this. You're at the airport, your phone's about to die, and you can't find an outlet. Or you're halfway through a hike and you realize you forgot your water. Your water bottle is empty on a scorching hike. Or you're rummaging through your bag, searching for documents you swore you packed. We've all been there, done that. Traveling without the right gear can turn your dream trip into a total nightmare. And that's why today we're talking must-haves, because being prepared is the difference between oh no and let's go. All right, you guys, let's start with the ultimate list. Number one will be a power bank. And I'm gonna say this again. A portable charger is a lifesaver. Choose one with high capacity for those marathon travel days. Number two is reusable water bottles. Pro tip, look for one with a built-in filter so you can refill anywhere without worrying about water quality. Number three is noise-canceling headphones. From planes to busy streets, they are a must for drowning out distractions and soaking in the moment. Number four, packing cubes. Separate clothes by type, outfit, or destination. It'll save you so much time and space. Number five, universal travel adapter. These should be at the top of your list if you're heading overseas. Some even come with USB slots. Number six is travel size toiletries. Opt for leak-proof bottles, and don't forget solid shampoo bars. They're a game changer for packing light. Number seven is travel pillow. Have you ever tried sleeping upright on a red-eye flight? A good pillow makes all the difference. Number eight is a first aid kit. Stock it with band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications. You'll thank yourself later. Number nine is a compact backpack or day pack. It's great for hikes, city tours, or even just keeping your hands free while exploring. Number 10 is document organizers. Keep your passport, itinerary, and emergency contacts handy. Bonus if it's waterproof. Now, let's take it up a notch with 5 more essentials that most people forget but are absolutely vital. Number 11 is travel insurance. It's not a physical item, but trust me, peace of mind is priceless. Research plans that cover health, cancellations, and emergencies. Number 12 is portable luggage scale. Avoid overweight baggage fees by weighing your luggage before you head to the airport. Number 13 is a travel journal. Capture memories, jot down thoughts, and keep track of local recommendations. Number 14 is anti-theft backpack. Perfect for crowded tourist spots. These backpacks have hidden zippers and lockable compartments. Number 15 is a lightweight travel blanket. Great for flights, picnics, or chilly evenings. And it doubles as extra padding in your bag. And let's not forget the most important part, must-have, your adventurous spirit. The ability to adapt and embrace the unexpected is the secret to truly amazing travel experiences. And before we wrap up here, I want to give you guys a few bonus tips. Make sure to scan copies of your passport and IDs and store them on your phone or email just in case. Also, download offline maps of your destinations so you're never lost even without Wi-Fi. The third tip is anti-theft backpacks. Luggage scales to ensure your travels are not only stress-free, but downright enjoyable. Oh, and always pack snacks. Energy bars, trail mix, or dried fruits can be lifesavers when you're stuck between meals. So there you have it, you guys. This is my ultimate list of travel must-haves to keep you prepared and stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just planning for your first trip, these essentials will make all the difference. Being a savvy traveler isn't about what you pack, it's about how you prepare. And with these tools, you'll stay organized, hydrated, entertained, and ready for anything. Remember, every journey is an adventure waiting to happen. So pack smart, stay positive, and embrace the twists and turns that come your way. Now grab your travel journal, hit play on this video, and let's gear up for the trip of a lifetime. Your journey starts here, and let's make it amazing. So tell me, have I missed anything on this list? Share your travel must-haves in the comments down below, because we're all here to learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and of course, subscribe to my channels for more tips, tricks, and adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep living the journey, and I will see you guys in the next video.